Hi, today we are making a Peruvian-style steamed pao de lo with only 3 cake ingredients. It is soft, tall, and gently cooked over boiling water, perfect when you want a simple sponge without using an oven. This recipe makes 6 servings, with 20 minutes of prep time and about 40 minutes of cooking. Let's go through the ingredients, starting with 4 large eggs. They are the structure of this sponge, so use fresh eggs at room temperature for the best volume. 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar sweetens the cake and helps the eggs whip into a stable, glossy foam. 1 cup of sifted all-purpose flour gives the sponge its tender crumb. Sifting matters here because the batter is delicate. 5 cups of water are for the boiling base. The cake batter never mixes with it, but the steam is what cooks the sponge evenly. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place a steaming rack inside a deep pot, pour in 5 cups of water, and bring it to a steady boil. While the water heats, line a 7-inch heatproof cake mold with parchment. This helps the delicate sponge release without tearing. Crack 4 large eggs into a clean glass mixing bowl. Keeping the bowl clean helps the eggs whip higher and smoother. Beat the eggs for 3 minutes, until they look foamy and a little lighter in color. This is the first layer of air for the sponge. Add 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar gradually over 2 minutes while beating. Slow addition keeps the foam stable and glossy. Continue beating for 8 minutes, until the mixture becomes thick and falls from the whisk in ribbons. This texture is what makes the cake rise without baking powder. Sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour over the foam in 3 additions. Adding it in parts makes folding easier and protects the air we built. Fold gently about 25 strokes, just until no dry flour remains. Stop as soon as the batter looks smooth so it stays light. Pour the batter into the prepared mold and tap it twice on the counter. Those 2 taps release large air pockets without deflating the sponge. When the water is boiling, reduce the heat to a gentle boil and place the filled mold on the rack. The mold should sit above the water, not inside it. Cover the pot and steam the cake over a gentle boil for 35 minutes. Keep the heat steady so the sponge cooks evenly from bottom to top. After 35 minutes, check the center with a skewer. If it comes out wet, cover the pot again and steam for 5 more minutes. Turn off the heat and let the cake rest covered for 10 minutes. This gentle pause helps the sponge settle without collapsing. Remove the mold from the pot, unmold the cake onto a rack, and let it cool for 15 minutes. The steamed Peruvian sponge cake is ready to enjoy. And there it is, a soft Peruvian-style steamed pao de lo made with 3 simple cake ingredients and the power of boiling water. Serve it plain with coffee or tea, and enjoy that light homemade crumb. If you liked this recipe, leave a like, subscribe, and tap the bell.